Good day, welcome to another video in the series on tips and tricks to restore your FJ40 and 45. My name is Leslie and today I'm going to be talking about the Warn M8274 winch. I am currently busy restoring one for a client, so I thought I'd just take some time to show you what I'm doing. So usually when I get the winch, it looks like this. So I start off by cleaning it, removing all the grease and grime, and then taking it apart very carefully, not to strip any screws or damage any of the screws because they are very expensive and hard to come by. Then the top housing and the lower housing, as well as the drum section, goes for sandblasting. So once I get the parts back from sandblasting, I inspect it for burrs and scratches, and I then polish it up with a copper wire brush that fits onto the front of a drill. It looks like this basically. So I use this to polish this whole free spool clutch assembly until it shines, and then I send it off for plating. So this part is plated and it's called blue passivation. So that's the silver color. I also do that with a brake ball, which is this thing here at the bottom. And the cover for this, as well as the backing for the solenoid housing, I polish up by hand, and I also have that plated again. This is yellow passivated, obviously, as you can see. And the buzz bars I also polish up so that they look nice. The solenoids I obviously replace completely, and I make up new wiring for the solenoids that look like this. So the lower housing and the top housing, the end assembly, and this part which houses the free spool clutch, I have professionally painted. I don't do this myself. The drum and the motor housing I paint myself because that's a fairly simple task to do. I also add these black lines in the top housing once I've polished these lines. The winch has two service kits, one being the drum service kit, which is for the bottom drum, and the other one being the brake service kit, which includes the brake pads, the ball bearings, and all the other stuff that you need. I also get the end assembly, the new end assembly, as well as the terminal boots. All these parts are genuine Warn parts. Lastly, I service the motor, make sure that everything works the way it should. I add a new decal to the top housing, and I also get the new solenoid housing with a 3-pin connector, and I start putting everything together. This one is going to get a synthetic rope. It's got a 30-meter synthetic rope, also from Warn, as well as an aluminium fair lead. So this is basically what I do when I'm restoring the winch. Thank you for watching.